Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. Boom! Welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. And today we have another install video. I'm actually going to install the Society, aka Vintage Carbon side blades. As you can see right here. Let me pick it up for you guys. All right, so this is the side blades, carbon fiber. Super nice quality. Nice and thick as well. So basically I'm just gonna be replacing my current one or the old one that I have. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's pretty got overspray on there. It's pretty worn out. I mean, not worn out, but you know, this is such a nice piece that, you know, I'm just gonna upgrade it a little bit. See it right there. Super nice quality. So it should be pretty easy to install. Basically, I'm just gonna trace out the holes and put it on. So let's go. Let's do this. All right, just want to compare the two. They're very similar, but the vintage carbon is so much nicer. It's pretty thick. I don't know if you can pick it up in camera, but it's pretty thick compared to the old one that I have. It's pretty narrow. So, subtle differences, but overall, the quality of the vintage carbon is super nice, super shiny, and the weaves are straight and everything. So I'm just gonna transfer the holes to this one, and we should be able to put it back in. All right, all done. She's on there, nice and secured, ain't going nowhere. Looks really good, nice and fresh. Look at that. Sweet. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick content of how to install the vintage carbon, aka Society side blades on your 240Z, and that's gonna wrap it up. I just gotta do the other side. It's the same process. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video below. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.